Did you know the president used to ride around in a bulletproof rail car? U.S. Car Number 1, or the Ferdinand Magellan, was equipped with armor plating and 3 inches of bulletproof glass. The rail car had escape hatches, bedrooms, and a dining room. FDR traveled 50,000 miles inside this rail car, and Truman made nearly 350 speeches from the rear of the rail car. The rail car was used up until Eisenhower's presidency, but he did not ride in it as frequently. Mary Eisenhower famously took this train to witness the launch of the first nuclear-powered submarine, the USS Nautilus. Nowadays, the president travels in a variety of ways, from the bulletproof and explosion-resistant Cadillac limousine, Ground Force One, Marine One, and Air Force One,